Hello guys, now in this video I'm going to show you how you can remove app lock on your apps on your Android smartphone. So if you had set a lock on some apps such that you can't access them without a password or even a fingerprint, for instance, I set app locks on some of these apps that I'm using here, and you'd like to remove it. It's pretty simple. You can do this on your Android smartphone. If you find this video helpful, I kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. Alright, to do this, just go to your settings, and from settings scroll down until you see this option called apps. Now under apps, go down here to app lock, and here you'll have to unlock your phone, and this will display all the apps you have on your smartphone, both locked and those that are not locked. Now to remove the lock on any app, you can see I currently have two apps that I locked on my Android smartphone, Docs and Instagram. So I like to turn off on Instagram, so I'll go ahead and toggle this off and it will be removed from the list of locked apps. From now henceforth, I'll not need any security or password to access Instagram. So that's how you can remove app lock on your apps on an Android smartphone. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.